It's snowing. It's snowing now. Kelvin, he's warm by the fire.
He almost died. Kelvin.
Yeah, he almost died. We've been raided a couple of times. I built this little thing. It's pretty cool. Evan built that. I built that. And yeah, we killed people.
Oh,
Virginia has not appeared since the winter though. Or since winter started though, I'm not sure.
You don't have any extra
What
sticks.
about what I built?
Yeah, I have some extra sticks.
I
Oh
need
yeah,
16.
no, but that was in the video already.
Not this ball.
I only had 2 sticks.
I'll be right back, Kelvin.
How do I cycle through this?
Mm-hmm.
Bye, Calvin. Stay hidden.
Yeah, that's what I told him to do. I told him to stay hidden. If I die by the cold, it's nice knowing you guys.
Alright,
There's another cannibal out here, unless that's
I'm coming.
Virginia.
Oh, it stopped snowing. That's probably gonna...
Oh, it's Virginia.
Oh no, it's still snowing, never mind. Oh,
Put away your weapon. Put away your weapon.
yo, bring her in. Don't chase her off.
I'm not trying to. She just
Okay,
ran
she's
away.
just running. Good.
I thought that was a cannibal, so I wasn't like entirely sure.
Virginia,
She
you can come back.
she's running.
Dude, she's gonna die.
She's just running. I mean, at least that's
How did she
gonna
have
warm
so
her
much
up.
stamina?
Stamina. Stamina.
Stan.
Stan.
Emma.
Stamina.
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 Stan in a
Virginia,
I
you
don't
can
know.
come over here.
no,
We're nice people.
She's not that smart.
Why are you burning it? Why'd you burn it, Sydney?
I did that earlier.
Why?
That was the old me. I'm a new person now.
I'm gonna say a slur. Wait,
What?
please.
I'm coming.
Oh, I see her. I see her. There's no brute though. Where's the brute? Oh, you're right there.
Where is he?
Come here, fatso, fatso, fatso.
Wow. That's fat phobic.
Good. He deserves it. He eats too many people. I'm healing you right now.
Nobody cares.
Everyone, so. Oh, hi, big boy.
Oh shit! Whoops. Whoops. I accidentally just.
I shot him in the
Drop
ass.
his egg.
He's dead.
Is that a animal? There's just a random cannibal
Oh, his head
body.
fell off.
There's just a random cannibal body over here.
Where?
Over here. It has its headshot.
Is it Virginia?
Cannibal. Cannibal.
Hannibal?
I think this guy headshot twice. Dude, he ran off with my arrows.
Wow. What a
No, I don't know which one it is.
weirdo. Hayden, I have a present for you. You like it?
What is it?
It's a thing.
The body?
Yeah, it's a thing.
What?
Oh wait, it sells an arm. You can have the arm.
Calvin. I love Calvin.
What about
Oh
the
yeah,
arm?
there's a guy.
One second, I
Can
need
you
to
go help
cook.
him?
I need to cook.
Crap, I didn't mean to do
Oh
that.
damn. I don't
Watch
have
out,
anything
watch
to
out.
cook.
Guess it's gonna be hand-to-hand combat. This lady's.
Oh, there's a person in
How-
here. There's somebody in here.
How-
He's on the rock. Oh my god, there's a gold mask. There's a gold mask. There's a gold mask. Guys.
Oh, that sucks.
And they're in the base. Shoot. Headshot.
Calvin, move out of the way.
Headshot. She's mourning the loss. This is a good time. I miss. Headshot. Leg shot. I only had to use 3 bullets. I think that worked out pretty well. Still very laggy though. I just want to skip the winter.
Virginia, come on. I promise it's safe.
Hey Hayden, come over here.
Trying to catch some fish.
Hayden, no, actually, come here. Landon,
Gotta get fish.
Landon,
I'm
turn around.
What?
Hayden, come here. Landon, stay still.
I'm trying to get a fish.
Hurry up.
I'm starving.
Yeah, you gotta see this. It's funny. Evan, come here. Evan. Evan, come here. There you are. Turn around, Landon.
Dude, I don't like this.
So
He has a tail.
Why can't I make it up this ramp? There we go. Turn around, Landon. Virginia.
Hey, can you take it out?
No,
Take it out of me. I can't take it out.
I'll take it out. Why is there a body in that room? Hayden, why? Hayden, can you explain this?
Finally.
Where are you? Hayden, where are you? Hayden, explain the body. Oh my god. Hayden! Hayden!
What?
Explain the body in that room.
It's Evan's body.
It's
I
Evan's
told him to
body.
Keep it safe.
Does this kind of look like
I'll put
Evan?
No, it's not Evan's body. He owns it.
What?
Oh.
Where?
Oh, wait, why
I
does
can't
he
s-
own
I
it?
can't see. It's like a...
You guys are recording a video.
Yeah. So?
So you should remember that. I mean, you could get copyright claimed.
Yeah, it sure is a Logan Paul song, technically.
Oh yeah. We're gonna get copyrighted by Logan Paul.
The Logan
No,
Paul.
you don't get copyrighted by them. YouTube sets out the
Yeah,
copyright
I
claim
know.
if you do it for
I
too
know.
long.
I know how copyright works.
If you have too many strikes, then your account gets taken down.
You okay?
No, I was just gasping at Hayden's information. Ah. Everybody has a hero.
True.
Hero. Look at that. No copyright now. You can't
Yeah,
copyright me now.
you guys just change the lyrics.
Everyone has a Cheerio.
Wait, no. No. Every person on this earth has a person they
Pop-Tart.
look up to. True. Or no, then you say positive.
Yeah.
No people should not have someone they look up to.
Yeah.
Jake instead of Logan, Jake Paul.
Or
Jake is my
Or
is
Logan
the person I looked up
Zachorowski.
to.
Paul
He-
Logan.
He's
Really
nice.
nice. No, wait, no.
Kind. So I went and wrote a ditty about him 2 times.
Did he?
Yeah,
Wait, now
ditty.
sing it. Sing the whole thing now.
Everyone on Earth should have someone they look up to. True.
Positive.
Positive. No people shouldn't have someone they don't look up to.
Sure.
Logan Zakarowski is the person I look up to. He is really kind.
Gay.
So I went and wrote a ditty
Like, you
about
know that's a
him
real
2
person?
times.
Yeah, Logan Zakarowski.
Yeah,
No,
he's our friend.
he's very zesty.
He's
And yes, he's our friend. He got
Is that your
fine.
picture?
Guys, I have the
Yeah,
mystical
Yeah,
double
that is my
fire.
profile picture.
Guys, I have the mystical double fire.
Yeah. Oh my
The
god.
stacked fire.
I missed. Yeet. Ow. Damn it. Fuck. Fuck it. Hello.
Hi. Yeah, step in the fire.
This way.
Hey, Sydney, can you take over duty on Watchtower?
Duty. What?
I could have sworn I heard a scream.
I didn't. Oh, I see somebody. Is that Virginia? I think that's Virginia. Nah, bro, that's Virginia. That's Virginia. Evan was looking out for her this whole time. Then she comes running when I'm the duty man. Now, just like don't walk up to her. Just let her come in. What's that thing? Is that a rock? She's coming in. Now's my chance
Sydney, don't.
to shoot my shot.
Sydney, stop.
Six.
Guys, everyone come inside.
Sydney, do you have
We got a
six?
bag.
Sticks?
Yeah.
If I do, they're not for you. And I don't
Hey,
think.
come up here.
Everyone inside.
And I'm
we need
pretty
to sleep.
sure I
Watch out
don't.
tower?
Whoa.
Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna have a chair.
Everyone
Oh
inside.
yeah, I
we
don't.
need to sleep.
I don't
campfire
have
right
any
here.
sticks.
Everyone
I
inside.
have
We
a
need to
chair,
sleep.
a campfire.
We need to sleep.
And then
Sydney, guys, we got
I'm
sleep.
here,
I'm coming.
boy.
And
Bye.
also, save.
Yeah. Slave after you sleep.
Slave after you sleep.
Save after you sleep.
Hey. Don't say that.
Don't twist my words.
Plist?
Twist words all I
Yes.
want. Guys, they're coming. They are coming.
Yeah,
There are people that
They're
are coming.
They're coming.
Which
coming.
way, Evan?
Ocean way.
Get the logs.
Or, you know what I mean, not opposite of the other way.
I
Whoa.
see Virginia in the distance, I think. Yeah, I see
This
Virginia
guy's
in the
got tons of
distance.
clothes on. They all got tons of clothes on.
I don't even see them. Oh, they're over here.
Yeah, there's a gold mask guy.
Oh, they're breaking our
He's destroying
walls!
it.
Beat them!
Ah!
Ugh.
Dude, I'm already dead.
My bad. I think I might have hit you with my stuff. Ow! One shot me. I mean, I was pretty low, but Jesus.
Okay,
I don't
get
have
up
any
and
armor
go.
on either.
Get up and go. Bro, can't get in. Die.
Somebody.
Revive Hayden.
I'm freezing. I'm freezing
Revive
to
Hayden.
death.
Revive Hayden.
Go.
Got him.
Who tossed a stinking log at me?
Okay, like 3 of those are mine. Then you get the rest of the arrows.
I
Don't
did
toss
shoot
a
lot of
log
arrows.
next time,
Some of them
Sydney.
are
I
mine.
shot a
I
few.
shot 2 arrows.
Ow.
I shot 2.
What, did I do something?
my
Oh, you walked into the stick, Evan. Look at all your blood splattered there. Oh,
Do you guys
I
have any
didn't-
sticks? I need
No.
sticks.
I don't want to throw it.
Ow!
No, my arm. No,
Where'd it go?
I can't pick it
No.
up. No, it's on fire. No, let me grab it. No,
Oh.
I'm hungry. No, fuck you, fire. Give me my arm.
You're actually
Give
going
me my
to
arm.
You're actually
Give me
going
logs.
to
How many sticks?
Oh,
do you
I got my
have?
arm. That was scary.
Then go get logs. I'll get sticks.
Why is it raw again? It's raw. I threw it and then it turned raw. I had to cook it again. Ow! What the fuck? I got hit. Who wasn't on the watchtower? Nobody was watching the watch.
What do you mean you got hit?
I guess got
Calvin's
killed,
dead.
Oh,
bro.
there's
Calvin.
people.
Yeah. Dude. What else do you think I meant? No, my arm's gonna cook and I'm not gonna be able to eat it. It's gonna burn.
Landon, help!
My arm, my arm, my arm. No, oh my.
I'm outside the place.
My arm.
There's a brute outside. It's not gold mask, it's just a brute.
Help me.
Evan and Landon.
Coming.
Evan, you get
My
Did he-
foot, my arm.
Are you dead?
Yeah, I'm dead.
My arm.
Not all the way though.
Don't let my arm
Absolutely.
not cook. No, 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 it just burned. Fuck.
Where's the brute? Where's the brute?
I'm fucking murder these assholes. Where
He's
are they?
destroying the door.
Where are they? Where are they? Is that
Kill
one?
me again.
No, it's
There's
Kelvin.
one next to me. Landon.
I'm coming.
Somebody. You killing me again.
Fuck you, bitch. Die. Die. Ah! Ah! No! Die. Why is he picking up his friend yet? Die. Did you fucking deserve? Oh wait, Hayden, I got you.
Thank you. Dude, there's quite a bit of these guys. Deagle!
We're gonna have to get a repair tool to repair some of these walls.
How many uses does a repair tool have?
Infinite. He's gotta make one. Now we can chop these guys up. It'll make up for my burnt arm. I'm mad about that. It just burnt. Wait, technically I could just throw it again and it'll be raw, right? Yeah!
Does she trust us
has
now?
the GPS tracker, so now, yeah, she trusts us.
Wait.
I don't know how to give her.
Oh,
Wait,
never mind,
give her-
Kelvin already
Give her.
has
You
one.
can give her clothes. You just have to hold E.
Oh, she likes this now. Hello.
Somebody
give
give
her
her
a gun.
clothes.
I'll give her
Somebody
clothes.
give her
You can
extra
give her a
clothes.
gun. I don't know how to give her clothes.
Yeah, you could give her a gun. Oh, you can't give her clothes with that. You can give her a gun though. Should I give her my
I
gun?
don't know how to give her clothes.
Sure. You
Well,
may,
I mean, I
try to
kinda want
stay with
mine.
us.
Does someone else want to give
See,
them
I told you,
their
she
gun?
didn't. I don't have a gun.
I want to keep my gun. Oh, she has a gun now. That's why is she walking at you like that with a gun? Should be able to give her clothes though. There's no way you can't. Just doesn't make sense.
At least I have the GPS tracker on her. No.
I'm freezing.
How do you give her stuff? I give her. Trust us now. Just somehow. What? Did you give her your gun?
Oh, you want? Wait, where is she?
She has Evan's gun.
I need to see her.
Guys, you want to give her all of her guns?
Wait, 1 second.
We can make it.
Hey, talk to me.
I want to know how to bring her into the base now.
Probably come in by herself. Who needs food?
No, Virginia.
She just has a gun now. I'm trying to like figure out how I can give her my clothes. Okay, well, I need to put on my winter jacket.
She's walking towards Kelvin.
Oh.
No, she isn't. No, she isn't.
Oh.
Her nipples poke through her swimsuit.
Oh, what the f... You creep.
What is wrong
No,
with
I'm
you?
not being a creep.
You're a
Yes, you
son. You're a
are.
Just
creep.
noticed that. I was
You
trying
creep,
to
bro.
give her something. And I just noticed, okay? Jesus Christ.
Creepy.
Thanks for the pistol back.
Dude.
You can have this.
It's a little creepy, Evan. I don't know.
How do you make a zip? How do you make a zip line? Hey,
I
give me
don't know.
No, you can't have any zipline things. No. You gotta have a grappling hook.
I
I
don't know.
don't think Kelvin wants to live anymore. He likes going in fires.
I think you just like.
It's because it's so cold. I understand him.
Get away from my fire!
Calvin
Get
is just
away.
like me for real.
Hey,
Don't
he's
make-
looking at me.
Landon,
like a
it's
freak.
fine.
I'm gonna push you off.
Landon, watch for cannibals. Crap. One. 3 more goals.
Any jokes made in this video are jokes. And there's a lot of bad ones.
Holy cow, I still need so many more.
Hello.
Well, if Virginia's not gonna listen,
Hi,
we might
Virginia.
just have to.
No. What the fuck? She just killed that squirrel? Oh, hi. Did she just killed that squirrel.
Hey,
Yeah, it looked like she was like reaching out to hug
stepped
you.
on it.
Yeah, no, it looked like she was like it looked like she was walking over to hug you. But then she like she reached out and grabbed the squirrel and it
Why
died.
did she hug me? I thought she was scared of me. Even though I'm the one who,
Yeah, I guess she likes you.
yeah, I made her trust us. Not Evan. God, this head is kind of
Damn.
like my new face.
Do any of you have small rocks?
Nah.
I know you do.
No, I
I know
don't.
you do.
I'm looking for my arrow though.
Ow!
In the balls.
Oh wait, guys, the beach is melting. Wait, it's actually kind of warm here.
It's only day 12 though.
Oh wait, no, never mind. It's not warm. I'm still freezing.
Did I just get hit?
No, dude.
No, Sydney, you're crazy. Stop being insane.
You're insane. My aim isn't very
Oh,
steady
she's
when
back.
I'm hurt. She's running. She's running for Landon. She likes Landon
Wait,
more
why,
than you,
why
Evan.
is she not walking any? Why is she not running any?
Hey, Landon, should I do
Dude,
it?
who just-
Looking at me.
Landon,
Just
should I do
my
it?
GPS tracker.
Alright, why is my
Should you do
GPS
it?
tractor off? Yeah. Tractor. My GPS tractor's gone too.
Maybe
Or-
she keeps taking them off.
Put it back on.
Here,
Hey,
take
hey,
a
should I
gun.
do it? Should I do it, Landon?
I want the gun back.
Landon, should I do it?
Take it.
Landon doesn't care. What the? Oh, oh. Fight. Give her the gun.
Give her the gun. Never mind. Oh, headshot. He's down.
No,
Ah,
he's
he's
not. He's a big boy. You know,
Up.
one headshot's not gonna do much. Okay, he's dead.
Oh,
There's an
poor
arrow.
little baby.
My arrow went out here, right? Maybe not. Swear
I am
else in there.
cold and wet. Ow! I'm actually about to die. I'm on a sliver of health.
Okay.
Kill yourself.
Uh-oh.
What?
Nothing. I'm doing it.
Bro. Calvin's just standing in the fire pit. He's not moving. He's just standing in the hole in the ground
What?
where the fire pit's going.
No.
Where the fire pit went.
Save him.
I can't do anything.
Calvin.
Calvin, just
Calvin. I forgot. I
Calvin.
forgot he even existed.
follow me.
Oh my. Get out of there. Okay, this is a mess. I'm gonna end the video.
Calvin.
Oh, what the hell? Calvin?
Where-
Where'd he go?
Oh, he's going right back.
What?
He's
Oh, there he is.
morphing into the ground.
Okay. That's gonna be the end of the video. Yeah. Please rate me 5 stars on Uber.
I don't mega.
What?
I don't know.
That doesn't even make sense.
Yeah, no, I don't know what I was trying to say. Please rate me 5 stars on
Spotify.
Pornhub.com.
No.